being in the biggest aerospace industry of the world, that's the best for somebody who wants to be an engineer like me.
Visiting the Averill factory was incredible. It's just a whole different scale of anything that I ever imagined.
I was able to see the big picture of how everything is put together.
We really tried to give them the whole breadth of what would it take to be a successful aerospace engineer.
They really had the opportunity to work hard and think out of the box.
The biofuel project was very challenging because it took me out of my comfort zone.
Most of them did not know a thing about biofuels, but of course once it was over, they sounded like experts. It was just amazing.
It's inspirational because what the students worked on this year is actually going to come into fruition in our lifetime.
And for an output here you see...
We have very solid ideas, innovative ideas for us to pursue. I am very proud, very proud.
She deserves a hug from all of us.
They bring with them their joy. It deepens our understanding of the world.
I think it's a critical area that we need to expand. We have these programs with many countries. We're looking to expand those to other countries as well.
I am actually very thankful to work for a company that takes the time and the effort to lay out the foundation for the future generations.
They kind of are Boeing that's different for us. We didn't have this perspective outside.
Jessica Fugger faz
We have several reasons to be very proud of this program.
You've been investing in Brazil's future, and in that way you've also invested not just in the U.S.-Brazil relationship, but in international and hemispheric relations in general.
Construir algo melhor!